Hello, my creative friend. This is a follow-up to an earlier video I made on this channel showing you how you can create sunburst images in Adobe Photoshop. Yes, I had a couple of complaints from some of my subscribers saying that the process in Photoshop was too complicated and they needed something simpler. So that's the essence of making this video. I'll be showing you a free AI tool that you can use to create unlimited sunburst images for absolutely free. Let's check it out. So the first thing we have to do is to go to ChatGPT and ask it to give us a well-detailed prompt to create a sunburst image. Right, and go ahead and click enter. Alright, so this is the prompt that ChatGPT gave to us, right? Now there are some key components of this prompt. Now if you look carefully right here, usually a sunburst image is made up of two colors, right? So here you see that we have the muted tea blue and the soft beige. Right, so we're going to copy this entire prompt and paste it into our AI platform. Right, so the platform that we'll be using is CapCut's text to image generation platform. Right, so I'm going to paste my prompt here. Right, and if you have a reference image, of course, you can add that here to give the AI platform a clue to what you're talking about. But if you don't have an image, then go right ahead and click generate. And voila, these are the options that CapCut's AI generation platform gives to us. Right, so you can pick anyone that best suits you. So if you want to download any of them, just come to the options right here, click these three dots and click download here to download your image. Now, so let's say you want different color combinations for this for your sunburst image, right? So we're going to go back to the prompt, right, to edit our prompt, right? So if you recall, I said two key components of let's go back to our prompt somewhere. Yes, so this is our prompt, right? So two key components of a sunburst image is usually the foreground color and background color right here. So which is right here where we have the where is that again? Yes, where we have the muted teal and the soft beige. These are the two colors. So I'm going to change this to, let me say, a red, which is the foreground color, and the background color, let me change this to, let's say, a yellow or a gold. Right, so I'm going to copy this again and take it to our CapCut text image generation platform, and let's see what it's going to come up with. Wow, this is nice. So this is the sunburst image that contains red and gold. I think this is pretty cool. Right, so if you're satisfied with this, any of the options, once again, go ahead and click the download option right here. So I'm sure you had a ton of value from this video. If you did, just give this video a like. And if you've got questions, of course, don't forget to leave them in the comment section. Share this video so that other persons can benefit from this knowledge as well. So thanks for watching. See you in my next video.